when COVID hit, somehow I just fell in love with plants and trees and stuff. And then I just wanted to learn more about it. And I like science.
Carter got started in gardening a couple of years ago. COVID happened and preschool was closed. He couldn't see his friends, we couldn't go anywhere. And so he ended up finding a little stick and he put it in a pot and decided it was a tree. He took it with him everywhere. We went on walks and he just got really interested in trees. And then after that, he started getting interested in other things. He went to his grandpa's vegetable garden and looked at trees in the grove. We started buying more flowers and he just has really expanded what he likes.
I like Backyard Farmer because I like to see the flower of the week. And I like to know the different questions. I've submitted questions and they are daylily, eggs on a daylily and a fungus on a hen and chicks.
Carter started watching Backyard Farmer a couple of years ago. At first he just watched little bits and pieces of Backyard Farmer, and now he watches the whole episode. He likes seeing what the flower of the week is. He likes looking at the bugs and different things, and sometimes he might see a problem with a plant and he sees something similar at home, and he just likes to watch that. His love of plants has been a really neat thing to see. He has gotten some of his friends interested in plants. His teacher last year called him the plant man, and he got to help her take care of her Gerber daisy. He's got neighbors excited about his love of plants, and it's just been really contagious. I told him a lot of people grow up and they have never found what it is that they really truly love, and it's really special that he's already found that.